YouTube family, welcome back. What is going on with y'all today, man? It is your boy Jay the Sneaker Guy coming at y'all with yet another unboxing video. But I don't know, some of y'all gonna like it, some of y'all gonna hate it, because this shoe has been being flown under the radar, as a lot of these recent shoes that your boy picked up from StockX and Go and whatever had. Because, you know, hey, I be out looking for sleepers, like stuff that people are not paying that much attention to, but they are dope in my opinion, man. So these are one of those shoes. We about to get into that, but before we do, if this is y'all first time stopping through checking out any of the family's content, or you are a returning visitor, man, it's glad to have y'all back. And we would love for y'all to stick around and join the fam by hitting that subscribe button, man. Roll to 50K. We are approaching 49, which is amazing, man. We moving right along, man. So I truly appreciate each and every one of you all for the support, man. Big shout out to the OGs of the fam. Make sure y'all slap a like on this video and let me know, hey, if this video gets 700 likes, I do a review on feet with lace swaps, man, but only if it gets 700. Y'all gotta let me know that y'all rocking with them, because as I said, this shoe is a shoe that people have not been, you know, checking for or feeling and all that. So, hey, if y'all want me to put in the work and show y'all reviewing on feet, lace swaps, hey, just hit that like button, man. But let's go ahead and check out what your boy done got. Appreciate that. StockX, appreciate you. Bang! Here we go, man. Your boy did get a package in, as you just heard, from StockX. And yeah, man, y'all know GOAT is my go-to. Y'all know GOAT is my go-to, but GOAT dropped the ball on me. If y'all seen my Chinese New Year low unboxing video, y'all already know. You know, they waited 3 weeks to tell me that the seller didn't confirm, when I really only thought that they only had 1 week to confirm, or like 2-3 days, something like that. But long story short, they let that price go up on your boy, and I was like, I'm gonna go to StockX. They cheaper on StockX, and StockX ain't do me wrong, so I'm gonna rock. Whoa! I'm gonna rock out with StockX for a little bit, see what they got to offer. Until they do me wrong, I'm gonna just get that low ticket over there and rock with them. But y'all let me know down below in the comment which one y'all prefer, whether it's StockX or GOAT, and let me know if y'all have ever had any issues between either one of them. Let me know down below, man. But this is a different type of box. This shoe is a collab shoe. Give y'all a hint real quick, but bubble wrap. But yo, man, this is a collab shoe that did have another silhouette recently drop with this shoe that a lot of people were feeling. But you know, they went for that shoe. I went for this shoe because I like the D's, and not too many people have these, so I kind of want to be different with what I cop. You know what I'm saying? And bang, here is the box, man. Checking it out, you do got a half teal, half gray looking box right here, man. And you do got some Roman numerals on there as well. I think that is 30, 3 X's, 30 in Roman numerals. And taking a look at that logo, some of y'all may know, some of y'all don't. That is the Clot logo, man. Recently we did see a collab between Clot and the Air Jordan 14s, which was dope in my opinion. Ain't gonna knock that at all, but your boy didn't grab those. I went for these. But close up at that, you got that bronze hit, that premium looking hit right there in the back. And let's go ahead and see what we got, man. Taking a look at the size tag, you do got that bronze circle though right there on that side. But taking a look at that size tag, we got Air Jordan 35 SP written right there, special project. And that color blocking is Sapphire Stone Metallic Gold. So size 9, your boy did get that 9 in these. And let's go ahead and pop open this box, man. As you guys know, or may not know, the 35 does have a unique and a dope box in my opinion. It does open up from that way, and then it opens up that way. So it's like, it's a dope little butterfly type, you know what I'm saying, look. But it does have that premium, that special box on it. Got my StockX stuff right here, my price, and then I do have hype beast stuff that they send you. They sent you these StockX cards, if you know, you know. But StockX sticker, regular StockX stuff, man. But let's take a look at the shoe real quick. Taking a look at the paper, it does come with the white shoe paper, and we're gonna check these out for the first time together, man. Y'all ready? we got the Air Jordan Bang 35 clots.
Jay making movies, swap it out, scene, gon' shoot it. Sauce with the drip, extra groovy. Jordan ones cost more than your Gucci. Plus I doubled up, shot it, so sue me. You can say I'm in my bag, no Louis.
Bang! Here we have them, man. The Air Jordan 35. That's a high number. 35 clots, and in my opinion, these are dope. They dope, and they are very different. Very, very different shoe. I do, like I said, I do think that you can pull these off both casually and on court. I mentioned that in my Jordan 35 bread video. It just depends on how you rock them, man. But these are clean. Let me hit y'all with that close up real quick, man. Nobody is really talking about these. I haven't seen hardly any reviews on YouTube or anywhere. Nobody's talking about them. But let me know y'all honest thought on these, man. And it does come with that styrofoam on the back, but let me take that off and see what we got. Okay, we do got a clot logo right there on the back. As you can see, you got that clot logo, and on the other side we got a Jumpman. So that's a dope little touch they put on there. So you got your clot and your Jumpman hit on that back pull tab, and I do love that splash of red back there, man. But I can say right now that it does look a lot lighter in hand. The suede on it, it looks like a darker suede when I seen it online, like in pictures and stuff, but it's a lot lighter in hand. But it's a nice little earth tone neutral color shoe. Very dope. Got that clot logo stamped right there on the back, as you can see. But these are clean, man. That red, it's looking like a radio or a frequency dial, whatever it is, right here on the side. Got that marble premium looking touch right here in that teal colorway. These are dope, man. I am digging these, man. Let me know y'all thoughts, man. Don't be biased to the 35s. Let me know just based on the look and what you think can be pulled off with these shoes, because that's what I look into, man. I don't really care about, you know, I do put respect on the OGs, you know, the retros and stuff, but, you know, something new like this, I do see a lot of potential in this shoe, man. So dope, man. Dope. Clot logo, red insole inside there. You can barely see it, but hey, these dope, man. 2-3 right there on the front, man. What else we got? Anything on these laces? Okay, got some red lace tips on them, so you know, nice little premium touch. But these to me are clean. I can't knock them, man. Let me get that other shoe real quick and see if there's anything on this shoe that's not on the other one. I do see we got a little XDR tag right there on there, and got my StockX stuff right there on the inside, as you can see. But I'm not seeing nothing too much different between. Okay, I do see a difference right here on the front. I do see a difference. We do got clot written right there on that one, and we got the 2-3 on this one. But these are clean. Take this off. Same thing on this pair. Clot logo, Jumpman on the other side. But yeah, bro, hey, glad to add these to the collection. Just being different, man. Let me know, did y'all pick up any of the clots? Did y'all grab those 14s, which are dope? But and it's crazy, man. These 35s are actually selling for more than the 14s. I don't know. I think it's because the availability of it, the limitedness. This was only a overseas exclusive. These did not release in the States, man. If you know, you know. But yeah, let me know. And like I said, man, 700 likes. I will throw these right here on feet, man. So hey, let me know if y'all want to see them on feet by hitting that like button. And yeah, that's it for this one, man. Y'all stay blessed. Your boy Jay is checking out with the clot Air Jordan 35s, man. Dope in my opinion, man. And hey, if I don't throw them on feet, if it don't get 700 likes, I'll throw them on a pic on Instagram or something. So follow me over there, man. But your boy is checking out. Till my next one. Might be them University Blue ones. I got that coming soon, and I do have a special vid coming up with the good folks over at Guapi Official. They're my guys. But your boy's checking out 35s. I'm gone, man. Y'all stay blessed. Peace.
Jay making movies. Swap it out, scene, gon' shoot it. Sauce with the drip, extra groovy. Jordan ones cost more than your Gucci. Plus I doubled up, shot it, so sue me. You can say I'm in my bag, no Louis. Greatness in my jeans, no Truey. It be bangers only, I'm reviewing. Bangers on bangers, I'm popping. popping now. Jay on the roll, ain't no stopping now. Whip out them laces, we bopping now.